Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to download and install Doomsday Last Survivors on an Android device. If you want to download and install Doomsday Last Survivor, first of all, go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection, and once it is, open up your Google Play Store on your Android device. Now go to the search icon at the bottom and in the search bar type in Doomsday Last Survivors and search. Now go ahead and look for the application that says Doomsday Attack on Titan, this one over here from igg.com, and tap on install. Wait for the application to install, which will take a couple of minutes, and once it does, you can then simply play the game open and you'll be able to download and install the correct application on your Android. So that's how you easily find and install the Doomsday Last Survivor game on your Android. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.